everyone, I'm Leisa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing a one brand makeup tutorial with AshleyShine. So AshleyShine sent me this box that it comes with 10 products. Kaya as you can see, floral tayo ngayon kahit na umuulan sa labas dahil dito sa box na ito. This is my inspiration. And also disclaimer, sorry kung paiba-iba yung lighting kasi nasa tabi ako ng window kaya maingay dahil umuulan sa labas at sobrang cloudy niya. But anyway, if you wanna see how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So, walang binigay sa akin na primer yung AshleyShine. So, we're going straight with their BB cream. And I'm in the shade 3. So, I'm gonna put it in my finger. At idadot ko lang siya sa face ko. I think it's a good match. Buti na lang. So, light to medium coverage siya. Okay lang naman kasi BB cream lang naman ito. And this type of BB cream is what I like. It gives me like a dewy finish. At parang meron akong glow. As you can see. So, next na gagamitin ko is this Makeup Stick Multifunction Concealer. And I'm in the shade Natural. And this is what it looks like. Hindi siya ganun ka full coverage, pero what I like about it is ang light ng feeling niya sa under eyes ko. So the next product that we're going to try is this nude highlight and contour stick ng AshleyShine. So first gagamitin natin yung contour side, and I'm just going to draw like a 3 shape sa temples ko, sa cheekbones, tsaka sa jawline. And now we're going to take the highlight side. So yung contour, i-blend ko with a brush, and then yung highlight, i-blend ko with a beauty blender. So, bago natin iset lahat ng face natin, meron pa tayong isang liquid product. So, this is the AshleyShine Perfect Highlight Liquid. And this is in the shade 3. And this is what it looks like. So, ilalagay ko lang ito sa highest points ng cheek ko. At i-blend out ko lang with my fingers. So, now let's set our whole face with this Babe Skin pressed powder. So ngayon, let's begin with our eyebrows. And I'm going to try this AshleyShine 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil. And I'm in the shade medium brown. So, this is what it looks like. So, this side, ito yung eyebrow pencil. And this side is the powder. So, first, I'm going to use the pencil side. now I'm going to take the powder. So, yung pencil niya, ang bilis lang gamitin because it is so creamy. But I don't like the powder because it doesn't give me so pigment. At as you can see, parang mas lighter yung shade nung medium brown sa natural hair ko. Kasi ang lagi kong ginagamit, lalo na sa Anastasia Beverly Hills na brow pencil is dark brown. So, next na yung eyes ko. And I'm going to use the Exquisite Luxury palette. So, this is what the shades look like. Meron silang dalawang blush, tapos 4 na eyeshadow, and I think this is a contour. Pero hindi ko gagamitin yung contour sa cheeks ko kasi as you can see, sobrang itim niya. So, I'm just gonna use it as a transition for my eyes. So next, I'm going to use this green metallic shade. Next naman is this darker green. And now I'm going to take this white silver color. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this AshleyShine Master Ink Matte Eyeliner. So while my eyeliner is drying, I'm going to do my bottom lashes and I'm going to use this mauve tone color. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and I'm going to use this big volume mascara. So this mascara has step 1 and step 2. So this is what the one looks like in step 1. And this is step 2. So first I'm gonna use the step 1. And now step 2. So now I'm gonna use the 2 blushes that it comes in the palette. Oh my god, look at my brush. Need to tap it off. So all we needed to be complete is the lips. And now I'm going to use the Velvety Smooth Lips Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Darling. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells like cherries.